Alright, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make your dishwasher stop leaking on the floor.
Yeah, and after this method, it's going to be good as new, working back as it ever was.
Lots of new dishwashers have this problem, and it's really just a simple fix. It's just a problem with the tubing on it, so we should get it fixed up real quick. Alright, these are the tools you're going to need. We have a sledgehammer, a pickaxe, and another sledgehammer.
Yeah.
Alright, so the first step is you take a pickaxe. You really just want to like just get in there with it, just to start things off, and you just gotta
Fucking floppy. Just a little bit like that.
just kind of open it up.
Just crack the bitch open.
So first thing you want to do is get on the inside to see where your problem is. Now get on closer, I'll show you what's going on. So this thing in the bottom here has been pissing on my floor. So that's the problem. So to fix it, you just kind of turn her. You just kind of have to you're gonna have to do some more work on it. Get in here. Damn. Look at that. Alright.
Just fucking, you cleave a hole right in there so you can reach the wires easier, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, right in here. So this is where the problem is. Right there. So that's step one. For the next step, what you're gonna want to do is, now that it's all fixed, so look at this. Come in and look at this. So these are the buttons here, and they're all in good working condition, and you just kind of have to look at it. So you guys want to get up and make sure to get these to work again. Yeah, so basically this is what you want to get. So you want to get to where you can get in the motherboard, and
I just want to, like, snap it a little bit.
Yeah,
to check the power.
To get the fucking shit. You just kind of fucking. Okay, here we go. So this is what we finished. This is what we got. So you just want to rip these little things out. So this is why it was leaking. So you're good. So this starts leaking, just gives me a call. So this has to get back in.
Just gotta put it back in its state.
It's a very precise job. Lots of hours of training went into this. So, be a little hesitant, but you just, okay, so look at this motor. So this is the problem area. You just kind of have to pick at it. This is what you need. So, so the next time your dishwasher starts leaking, this is what you have to do. You just want to start out with, you know, it's a real simple job.
Piss tube unleashed.
Welcome to Piss City.
Did it stick in there?
No.
And the thing we're doing right now, we're just
Putting it all back together.
Putting it all back together, yeah. Just reconstructing it because we had to do a little bit of a set to get this fucking job done. Yeah, you just got to get them into little tiny pieces. Just like you're doing here.
Always be very careful when you're doing this.
We're done. Doesn't matter.
You just have to, the weight of the sledgehammer just do the work. So, all right, guys, you have the finished product. This is what it should look like after you're done. This way, I guarantee your dishwasher will not leak. Okay?
It'll be good as new.
100% guarantee you won't leak in your house anymore.
Or your money back, guaranteed.
Yes, all of your money back. All right, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you guys next time.